Well guys, I just got off the bus and something came in for the sport that is going to start our build for the comp sport. Do we? Just got a little bit of weight to it. Alright guys, we're back in my room. Now we are going to thing that I got for the sport. Can't see that right there. Manjaro.
5 years later.
Manjaro stickers. We got here an Enjora LCG chassis kit for trx4. Pretty cool, made out of carbon fiber. What's so special about this one is that it comes with a clearance lens. And with the clearance lens, this is for the Yanmar. It goes on right here. Control numbers, battery tray, and it comes with some aluminum body post mounts. But there are two different sets of ones. You get the 313 or 312 millimeter, and you get the 324 millimeter. And then if you got the regular trx4 or the sport, you can split it right up. But a big flaw is that Enjora said it was for the SCX10 too, and this is, the picture matches up to a trx4. So I am gonna finish up this video after I get home from work. Alright guys, sorry that I didn't record me putting together the LCG tray or the LCG chassis. This is my old cliffhanger body, and I'm going to be getting a new one since this is the beginning of the sport build. I might be putting on the super swappers on this because these are just a little too much. You can feel these things. These are technically, these are the 1.9 wheels, but these are technically a normal 2.2 size tire because these tires are just massive. So I'm running them on the Proline Predator compound, Mickey Thompson's, SSD, D-hole 1.9 wheels, rolling cliffhanger body, and I'm going to take the body off and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, now under the body, we have a Amazon, just Chinese 30 kg servo, Spectrum 3S, which is, it has a JST connector. I gotta resolder on this wire, it just fell off the motor. 1080 ESC, and then the regular stock electronics. And then I'm really excited to test out these high clearance links. Seems like you can put your whole entire hand underneath there. Well, minus your thumb, but You can put all 4 of your fingers underneath there and it won't hit anything. No, up front it was really weird. I thought it would take these links right here. Wait, hold on, where's this one? These links right here to go up there. But I forgot that this sets the transmission back. As you can tell right here. This is the middle of the transmission. Right there. But it pushes the transmission back. But as you can tell, it has a little bit of an arch. Just so then it's like that. So then it's easier for you to slide off the rocks. And then I took the springs off of the stock trx4 shocks, but this thing's got quite a bit of flex in it. But next video I will be doing the test, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.